Congratulations, your home is sold, you've accepted an offer, and now we're ready to move forward. Step 1 in the selling process, you're going to be hearing from Patricia Coleman, our transaction coordinator. Patricia is going to send you all of the disclosures that you need to complete. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to Patricia or one of us. Next, we're going to be getting escrow instructions. Escrow's contact information is in the email right below. And again, when those escrow instructions are released, you can either go into escrow to sign, or they will send somebody to directly to you. Whatever questions you have, don't hesitate to reach out and ask us, or direct those questions to the escrow officer. Lastly, you're going to be getting a preliminary title report from the title company. The title company's contact information is also right below in the email, and the title company is responsible for making sure that title is going to pass free and clear. So when we get that preliminary report, we'll be reviewing it, Patricia will review it, escrow will review it, and of course you will review it. So don't hesitate to ask us if you have any questions at all on that preliminary report.